Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. On this video, I'm going to teach you how to hide photos on your iPhone using iOS 16 or your iPhone who has iOS 16 already. So the thing here is, of course, first things first, we need to make sure what iOS version we have. To do that, please go to Settings. Once you're in Settings, just click on General tab right here. And then, once you're in General tab, I'm going to click on Software Update. I'm going to hold it so it will be highlighted for you guys. Okay? So this should be the software updates tab. It's gonna check it for update as of now. Give it a few minutes to load. By the way guys, always turn automatic updates on. The thing here is we need to keep our updates fresh. We need to keep our updates up to point so we get the various features on our phone. And as you can see here, I already have iOS 16.6 available on my end. So this update provides important bug fixes and security updates and so on and so forth. So I'm not gonna install it right now because it will take time to our video. I'm gonna install it later, but on your end, before you proceed on here, make sure you have the latest iOS version available, okay? I'm just gonna go back to that one later. So how to hide photos? Please go to your camera roll. For example, I'm gonna hide this specific photo right here, this guy on the beach. And then click on the three dots on the top right and click on this hide option right there. Hide photo right there, and that should be good to go. Now, where to find that photo? Where can I see that photo that I have hidden? Go to this, for example, we're in library. For you page and albums, click on the third option, albums right there, and then choose the hide section. On the very bottom part, there should be a hide section right there. Use Face ID to open that one. There you go. Give me a second there, and I have the hide photos right here. Actually, I have two hidden photos right there. Now, how to retrieve it? Just click on that three once again and click on unhide. Okay? And that should do it. Thank you for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe. Have a safe one.